Companies that use storytelling realize 70% higher revenue growth rate than competitors who don't. If you're in business, the vital question is,
can you really afford to ignore the power of stories? If you tell someone a fact, you trigger 2 parts of their brain. If you tell them a story, you trigger 7. If you're an influencer, a marketer, somebody who wants to change somebody's mind, would you rather lead with a fact or a story?
storytelling increases profits. Brad Cochrane, the Story First speaker, reveals a unique approach to building robust business. Audiences love Brad.
He brought energy, he brought new ideas, and just helped you kind of think in a new way, take a step back.
Everybody is so involved in these bright, shiny objects that they've gotten away from storytelling. And storytelling is the one thing that can cross all those mediums and all those channels and really connect with your audience.
As a professional keynote speaker, certified trainer, storyteller, book author, event producer, and TEDx speaker coach, Brad brings presentations to life with real-world experience. Your attendees gain knowledge, skills, and a framework with which to tell their stories well in any place, at any time, and with anyone.
I loved the way that a concept of storytelling was packaged into such a really easy to use methodology that you can really just plug and play into a lot of different industries.
Your presentation was wonderful and as promised.
He always brings incredible energy. I mean, he's an excellent speaker. He knows his subject matter, he knows his audience, and he drew us in by giving us the tips.
To be successful, your attendees need the power of storytelling. Make sure they get it.
My personal mission is to champion storytelling and its power to change how people think, feel, and act.
Schedule a personal planning call with Brad today and make your event powerful, valuable, and memorable.